BLM is out of control. Now, before you call me a racist and a white supremacist, let me explain. And if you've heard anything recently of the Carmelo Anthony and the Austin Metcalf incident, this is exactly what the video is about. So again, let me explain. So in case you haven't heard, the basic rundown of the story is that Carmelo Anthony, the perpetrator, stabbed and killed Austin Metcalf, our victim here, right? And so what happened here is there's some kind of altercation between the two where Austin was asking Carmelo to move basically, and Carmelo was going basically just saying, touch me, I dare you, see what happens. So he was already threatening him, which basically just means he already had the vicious and violent intent to begin with. He wanted to harm somebody that day. He was planning on it, clearly. And really, if you ask me, it seems like he was just waiting for the right moment and just for anyone to just fuck with him. He was one of those people, you know? And I'm not gonna sit here and be delusional and act like every single black person on earth is like this, because to be real, that's just not how it is. I know plenty of perfectly normal and nice black people, but there is an agenda going on, and it's really unfortunate, and it's making white hatred and anti-white be the new, like, cool thing, and it's disgusting. Seriously, there is countless articles about how you should be ashamed of yourself and feel guilty if you're white because, what, we supposedly had slaves a couple hundred years ago or something? Despite what did or didn't happen, I'm going to tell you right now you're being lied to if you believe any of this or not. And if you want to learn more about how deep the corruption goes and what exactly this entails, who is pushing this agenda on you, go to bloomyourpotential.com and get the Matrix Masterclass. I promise I'm not selling you a course. It's completely free. I promise if you love this kind of deep dives into like corruption and narratives and agendas and different conspiracy theories and things like that, if it seems of anything of interest to you, again, go to bloomyourpotential.com and get the Matrix Masterclass. You'll love it, I promise. Again, completely free. See you there.